today I'm going to do a review on a UniWigs piece called Upgrade Courtney. So this is Upgrade Courtney. This is a Burmese hair human hair topper. It's a 7x8 inch mono top cap. So this is the mono top area here that you can see where the hair can be parted. So I'll just prep my hair and get that ready for the topper to go on. So my hair loss area is mostly at the crown. I do have a little bit of thinning at the front from AGA, but mostly it's at the crown from a condition called lichen planopilaris. So you can see there, that's the area that I'm going to be trying to cover with this topper. So grab the topper. So I like to put it on just by opening the front two clips first. And just line it up with my part line. Up there is pretty good. I'll snap those ones in and do the other two. So the first thing to do to blend a topper in is just to give it a brush. I will note as well that I have washed this piece and I have been playing around with styling of it. I think the hair quality itself feels really, really good, given that I have washed it and hopefully stripped away anything that was put in it that it sort of came with as box hair. So when it came in the box, it was really soft and beautiful and silky, but I have been burned before with a box hair piece. So the first thing I did was wash it, and I was really impressed with how the quality of the hair came up. And as I said before, this is Burmese hair. I haven't worn a Burmese hair piece before, so I didn't really know what to expect, and I was pleasantly surprised. It is quite nice and soft, so that is a really good sign. And the other thing that I found when I washed it as well is that not much colour came out in the sink, which is also good. So the colour that I've sort of got it on as now is the true colour, I suppose, that it sort of came in the box as, which is always nice. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is grab my rat's tail comb and just pull out some of these baby hairs at my hairline, because I like to wear my topper with some of my hairline on show. Right. But what I do want to do is fix up this little transition line here between the mono top area and my bio hair part line. So I'm going to do that just by using some foundation and a flat brush using the rat's tail comb. Brushing using a rat's tail comb, having a look to see if I need to put any fibres in there, and then just touching up the transition line just as that sort of finishing touch. And that is pretty good. So this is Upgrade Courtney, but my thoughts on this piece are that, you know, the hair quality it seems really, really good, especially after washing it. It still feels really nice and soft. It was very easy to style. I have put like an anti-frizz and shine serum through it, and that sort of made it really nice again as well. It hasn't tangled easily. So yeah, I think the hair quality is really nice. And I really don't think that anybody would pick that this is a hair topper. I don't think anyone is going to be right up in your grill like that, like looking at it. So I do think that, you know, this is a reasonably good piece for some, especially for the price point. Like obviously this is more in the sort of budget friendly human hair range, and you know, within that range, this is a great piece.